Alright, so part one to this Midwestern blizzard we're having, or about to happen. So part one, I'm going to make several parts to this thing. So today is Tuesday, February 1st, 2011, and a record-breaking winter storm is underway. As you can see, look at this hazard map. Look at this. We got winter storm warnings all the way from New Mexico down here, all into northern Texas, all of Oklahoma, eastern Kansas, southwestern Nebraska, all of Missouri, northwest Arkansas, most of Iowa, all of Illinois, southern Wisconsin, all of Indiana, most of Michigan. Then we get Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, the Northeast, all into this area. We are seeing we're seeing a huge winter storm. Here, we're going to take a look at my location. As you can see, all of my listening area, all of the National Weather Service Chicago listening area is under a blizzard warning. This blizzard warning will go into effect at 11 a.m. this morning. Come on. Come on. Okay, so this is a blizzard warning. They are predicting about 1 to 2 feet of snow. 1 to 2 feet of snow, along with 20 to 35 miles per hour winds, with gusts up to 40 miles per hour by evening, and then overnight wind gusts up to 50 miles per hour is expected. We're going to have huge snowdrifts, power outages. There's no school whatsoever in Illinois that I know of. This is our current local radar. And come on. Radar's acting up. There we go. So this is the first edge of the massive snowstorm that's still circling the plains, but the front end of it is now sweeping through Illinois. This is light to moderate snow generally in this area, but as the day progresses, Illinois is going to be encompassed by this thing. Still moving the same direction as yesterday. So I'm going to take a look at the current conditions, and I'm going to conclude this video. Current conditions: overcast, a bit windy. We have about 2 inches of snow on the ground from last night. We have a wind chill right now of -3. And so yeah, so that's what it's like. So this concludes part one, and more updates will be given.